Yo. Damn, it is a lot worse than I thought it would be. So, I don't know how we gonna get this kid to daycare. I don't know how I'm gonna get into work. But, adventure times, right? Let me just go start off having something to eat. It's ridiculous. Remember when I said it was gonna be bad? It's a lot worse. Like several feet deep, it seems like. I don't even know where the stairs are. Whoa. All right, let's, oh, maybe it was just the stairs. It's not that bad. All right, we gotta shovel this driveway or plow this driveway and get this kid to daycare. All right, so far, mission, this is as far as we got. And it's been 15 minutes. Gotta work a little bit faster. Man, it's crazy. Here we are, all done. Well, at least for the car to get out of the driveway. We still got to get August to daycare, and I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet, so man, that was exhausting. That's my cardio for the day, folks. Yo, you know you still got to go to daycare, right? All right, well, look at that fit though. Driveway, check. Kid to daycare, check. Although he wasn't supposed to be in daycare today because when the daycare is closed, what happens?
When the public schools are closed.
When the public schools are closed, daycare is closed, but our daycare lady is so caring and giving. You know, she was like, all right, he can stay for the day. So that allows us to go into work, right? So the grind continues, guys. Over here at Lynx, man, the city did a great job cleaning the streets. It was pretty easy getting in here. Just went for a quick little 3-mile run on the treadmill. Now I'm just getting ready, prepping for the class. Not expecting much people in today because it is technically a snow day and it's pretty empty in the gym so far. So we'll just wait and see, and yeah, go from there. One down, one slip. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. All right, remember this ball goes in front of the last 5, okay? Go, here, nice. And go. Nice. Go. Nice, take your time.
So exposed that you could just
do
whatever you wanted to.
You want to be nice and easy, all right? Go. Over, turn over. All right, go. Perfect. Go. Slip one. 5-3. Oh, good job, man. 45 seconds. Go. Slip one. Nice. Ready. Go. All right, so what you just saw was a clip of one of the boxing sessions that I did today. This guy has vastly improved in his technique, and we just had like a one-on-one time today. So I figured like, yo, why not just record it? And man, he's improved a lot. And I'm just so happy for him, man, because you know, guys like those like get to see their fruits of their labor, especially when putting some time in the gym. Anyway, I'm about to go back to the crib and handle some bidnat. I gotta do some like accounting, like paying some bills, you know what I'm saying? All right, so I am waiting to address this national grid issue that we're going through. Apparently this account is not in anyone's name. So we gotta set this up, get it paid, and carry on. Got some new threads for August. Let's see what we got here. Oh, some onesies. All right, he's gonna be looking fly. Oh, 4-pack? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome, man. Gonna be looking fresh. It's getting a lot bigger, so we needed the 18 months. And we got some baby moisturizing cream, because you know he got that melanin in him, so he'd be ashy. They mad loud in my ear right now. So I just checked in the fridge and they ain't jack to eat for dinner. I don't want to go back outside and I don't want to order anything. And I don't want to starve. So what shall we do? I think we're going to have to go back outside. Sir, who are you talking to? Who that? Grandpa? Huh? Who are you talking to, Grandpa? And why are you just like all up in my... Why are you all up in my grill, dog? Alright, go talk to your mans in them, you heard? Go talk to your homies. Dog, you throwing your food now? Like really? You was just screaming bloody murder that you're hungry. Ah. All right, so we got marinated chicken breast for dinner and some rice pilaf. So we made it work. Made it work. Teamwork makes the dream work. Now, August has been a pain in my backside this whole afternoon. And now he's giving his mama grief. So I'm just gonna prepare dinner. She's gonna put him to bed. And all's gonna be right in the world. Oh yeah, we got some ramen lettuce also. She's like a stickler for veggies, which is why I married her, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, going to end this video here. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and just holla at your guala. Peace.